found an excellent walking spot. Yes, and there's something else today. This is just close to my house. It's a beautiful paved walk. It's a golf course. But it has everything. Mountainy view, lots of chickens. I see that ship over there. That's where it's sinking. There is a definite list today. That's amazing. I could be wrong. We have the ocean. Mountainy view. Palms, bushes, and flowers. It's super nice. They're just a really nice place to walk, and the good thing is it's just a few, maybe half mile from my house, and I can go and whoa, something biting me. I can go in for a walk in the evening, whenever, or in the morning. More likely the evening because I'm not going to get up that early. That's not me. There's several people using this. Actually, it's pretty popular. It's also a golf course. And I think it's funny, up here shortly you will see a sign that warns you of your impending danger, that there are golfers up here and you could very well indeed get hit with a golf ball. Isn't this gorgeous? Been a little rainy today. Had high wind warnings and such. You can see the misty mountains, which I'm okay. I get it. They're not mountains, they're volcanoes. Whatever. Look mountainy to me. Hope you can't hear me breathing real hard. In other videos, I need a filter to filter my breathing, if you will. You hear the roosters crowing. They crow night and day. So, fun fact, it's just not a morning thing that they do. They do it continuously. Again, coming up here, you can see the ocean once more. Fun fact, the ocean, that's my neighborhood over there by the ocean that we could see here shortly. Trying not to get people who are here walking on my camera. I would appreciate someone filming me. I don't know what kind of tree this is, but I find it weird that it's got these funky looking protrusions or whatever. So I don't know. I don't know what that is. And I don't know what this monumenty, statuey thing is over there, but it's pretty. There's a golf course. I saw some golfers out here a while ago, as a matter of fact. There is the ocean once again. Coming across that, I don't know if you are able to see that very well. I don't have the camera zoomed in. I suppose I could. There, maybe a little bit better. I don't have it too far in. But I do somewhat. And my neighborhood is just down that hill where I'm staying, and right there is a golfer. We're coming to the end in a really cool place that I can't wait to show you. A rock garden, Hawaiian rock garden, and then it has a garden like a regular not like a Hawaiian garden, and plus there's chicken palooza. Apparently people feed them because they're constantly running out. That wind is crazy today. Started last night. Pretty yellow flowers. Over there is a Japanese little garden. which we're going to walk over there. I think you can appreciate it. Random fruiting. So I don't know what that is. Oh, it's hard to not have them on camera. Sorry for the camera switch, because that was probably pretty. Oh, rocking my shoe. Rocking my shoe. You know, who wears flip-flops for taking a hike? But I did. Okay. Well, here we are coming. Look at the chickens. I don't know what happens when you walk up there. All these chickens come up. It's crazy. Yeah, it's Kaluna. I can't even pronounce it. Park. This, I think, is so cool. So pretty. I know I'm going to spend a lot of time here, just sitting, listening to music, reading a book, relaxing, trying to get the mind off things, the way life is. Isn't that pretty? Gardening. And coming up here is Hawaiian rock garden, which is fascinating, some of the history of these rocks that they've moved to this island, and some of the things that the natives excuse me, use these rocks for. So you go down this little flowery path to get to it, but like I say, previous videos, and like I always say, everything worthwhile getting to, you have to put a little effort into getting to it. This is the hiding place, Puaka Hualahula. Apparently, it was shameful to lose your cloak as a king. You could lose your right, and this king, that name, hid it underneath a rock and some leaves. I don't know what Lono Spoon is. It doesn't say. It's a pretty little peaceful area. Oh, look, what do we have here? Oh, he flew off. This is cool. It's called a salt pan. And apparently they would put ocean water on it, let it dry, and that's how they got their salt. Another rock. Oh, how scary. I thought someone's gonna fall on me. Oh, I accidentally hit the thing. And this is cool. Little awaha is a Hawaiian fish that can live in both fresh and brackish water. This rock was located some ways away on a trail, and they could keep fish in it, basically. Fancy koi pond. This is cool. They make this drink, AWA, Awaha drink, in here. And when it's ready, down there yonder, there's a little spigot. They can just pull right from it. This is billion-year-old trees that were covered by lava, the lava rock. And then this little area, I think that's pretty. So isn't this cool? And it's just a hop skitch away from my house. Well, I'm pretty excited about that. I can come here anytime I want. Wow. The gates close at 5:30, but I have to park outside the gates. Look at that. Sun starting to set. Picture perfect. Simply gorgeous. as most of it is here. I've seen very little. See, chicken palooza. There they are, waiting to devour me. They ain't playing. A lot of flowering bushes and trees here, and I don't know why, but it seems as if they're really starting to pop out the last few days. I wouldn't think during the fall that would be a thing, or maybe it's happening just because it is we've had some rain, because all the islands have been dry, even Kauai, which is called the Garden Island, and it receives the most rain. I think the next island over, Oahu, is going to get some rain out of the system as well, which needs to be, because they've got a brush fire happening, which I'm told is about 85% contained. These high winds, I'm sure, are not helping the matter, helping things out, but the rain sure will be appreciated, I'm sure, because it rained most of the day here. It's just now cleared off in the last couple hours. See, chicken palooza everywhere, and they will come running at you because they want your blood. More golf course. I don't know what's down that way, but I'm not feeling frisky enough. See, look at it. They see people and they're running. Chicken run. Fried chicken. I don't know what that's all about. Okay. Well, I'm to the end of my tour. The next time, maybe I'll walk up the other way, but the sun is starting to set, and I've been walking for quite some time. I'm a little tired, so that concludes it today.